Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a flight on the Aegean application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the book button down below, and after that you should select from these options at the top one-way, round trip or multi-city. Then you should select your departure point. You can either type it in or select from the list. So tap on it, then select your destination. Set the date of your departure and your return date. Select the number of passengers. Then you should set whether it's a direct flight or you want flexible dates, and if you have any promo code, then type it in. Select your currency and click on the search flights button down below, and you are going to be able to browse among the results. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.